Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
So I'm headed towards my makeup appointment. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm getting closer and closer. This resort is so beautiful. I'll show you guys right now. Just got done doing my makeup. Oh my god, it looks so good! I'm excited! Lebo Beauty is awesome. Pretty here, guys. I love it. I'm excited. I can't wait. Walking towards my car. Well, first to the restroom. This is a resort, guys. So pretty. So I am almost ready. So I'm just chilling in the car for right now. I'm waiting for it to hit 11 so I can start heading out to the lobby. I'm so excited, guys! Look at my suit. This is crazy. It's white. Guys, we are backstage and it is full of girls. Crazy. I am pumping up. Alright guys, so I'm kind of bummed, but it's okay. It was a great show. It was a learning experience. There were so many competitors. I got third call out. It's okay. I give it my all. I trained like I should have. I did everything. And now it's time for finals. Super excited. It's cold. Alright, you guys, so it's finals time. I'm on my way to pick up Shelly from the airport, and we're gonna head out to the finals and see how that goes. Oh my goodness, the first time on stage, on a national stage, was incredible. I never seen so many girls compete before. It's just like wow. I was impressed of everyone's, hard work and performance. I loved the fact that it was a bigger stage. Everything was just humongous. And I'm excited to see how finals is. Stay tuned if you want to see. We're going to head out there after this. I already ate. And then we're going to eat a post-celebration meal. I'm so excited. So we're ready to go backstage. We're going to cheer with some turmeric shots. Just kidding. It's wine. So I'm in this beautiful Nationals. Her name is Shelly. She's so beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful.
It is Cinnabon and New. Number 172, Fernanda, and we, Mayra. Number 221, Nicole Flanagan. Number 237, Mayra Vargas. Number 243, Monique Abed. Number 246, Janelle Ketterly.
And we're off to celebrate. Shelly said that I need to get some abs before I step on a national stage again. Just kidding. I just need to get them a little bit more defined. But very, very proud of where I am now and where I'm going. So stay tuned. And I'm happy and thankful for everything. So this is what we're gonna eat. Yeah. I'm such a happy camper right now. Just arrived to San Francisco. Super freaking tired. So I was supposed to record when I got off the gym, but of course I was saying bye to everyone because it's the end of the year and today is the last day of 2020. I can't believe we freaking made it through this year. I'm so freaking like blessed, and everyone who's alive right now should and feel blessed because no matter what happened this year, we're still alive, we're healthy, and we are here. So much has happened this year and I'm so happy and blessed about everything. I just got done with my workout and it was leg day. I'm gonna go for either a bike ride or a run later on today, but I'm gonna get ready for work because I'm already running late. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited, and I am ready for the new year. So much to come, and everyone, happy New Year! Hi guys, it's almost New Year's in a couple of hours, in 4 hours. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys are excited as I am, but I am super, super excited because everything this year was just so freaking amazing. I did so much, and I can't not look forward to 2021. You know, this is just the beginning. I know a lot of tragedies happened and all that stuff in 2020, but you know what? We can't stay with the negative stuff. We have to look past it and kick this pandemic in the butt. So, with that being said, I just want to thank you guys for all your support. I am super blessed with all of you guys and your support. And I can't wait for everything that's in store for 2021. I hope you guys follow me through all my journey because I am not done. I wish you guys nothing but the best health, prosperity, abundance, love, everything, guys. And yes, I hope you guys stay safe. I am blessed again, like I said, and love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I wish you guys a happy new year. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.